Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a standalone 8-track unit. This is the original factory OEM unit out of a 66 Mercury Park Lane. Comes from my friends at Racing Repairs in Elk River, Minnesota. I don't know if the word racing is the owner's name or if it's slang for racing, but either way it's a pretty cool name for a company. Racing Repair, pretty neat. So this is just basically a repair to original stock, so we're going to make sure everything works before we send her back. This is a 4-speaker unit, so we've got a balance and a fader adjustment to include in this test. So let's go ahead and pop in a tape and check things out. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Everybody going to check out our speakers. Now, one thing about this particular model, the front rear fader, it brings in the rear speakers, but it does not cut out the front speakers, just so you know in advance. So the front speakers will always be operational, even with the fader in the fully clockwise position for the rear speakers. Let's go ahead and check that now. Here's our front rear fader. As you can see, the front speakers remain in the circuit. Okay, left-right balance. Okay. On the right, left, right. Alrighty. Change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, end of a song here. Let's crank it up, make sure there's no crosstalk between songs, and there's not.
I don't believe a word. Now only love we didn't speak isn't true. Such a Alice, you're
Okay, that takes care of that. There's not much to test on this unit. Just make sure it plays, changes tracks, and the volume, balance, bass, and treble, or volume, tone, fader, and balance control work, and that all works, so we're cool to go. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. I'm having a little trouble speaking this morning. And please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because most of your questions, if not all of them, will be answered on the work order. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you to my friends at Racing Repair for your business all the way from Minnesota, and we'll see you guys next time.